you just stay dead?
Isabel.
You're just mad Mom would rather sleep with Uncle Tommy than you.
Isabel.
Mom and Uncle Tommy have sex all the time.
Enough.
You know what I did? I'm fucking slapping you! You fucking prick! You know how fucking suffered! He fucking suffered because of you! And what have you done, my fucking house? You're fucking my brother in my fucking house! I love you, Grace!
These are girls, please.
You know how much I love you! You know what I... Grace, get her out of